Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at 4 Nokia C7s that I purchased off eBay for the price on screen here. Initially, they were about $30 and I followed the listing, and then the seller offered it for about $16 plus $7 shipping. So a really good deal. You can do the math and divide it by 4 to see how much each of them cost. They were listed as untested and in unknown condition. And in this video, of course, we'll be taking a look at each and every one of them and testing to see if they work or not. And in a future video, we'll be repairing each and every one of them if they do need repairs. So this is the 4 Nokia C7s here in 2023. So as always, before jumping right in, don't forget to smash that like button down below as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions or comments regarding these phones or any questions or comments in general, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. We can start a discussion or I can answer your questions. My social media is also linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. And now let's jump right back into this video. So first of all, before we even start off with the phones, the elephant in the room is that why haven't I been posting for over a month at this point? And this is the first video after a month, and that's because I've been focusing on working out and losing a bit of weight. I was never on the chubbier side of things. Well, not never, but in recent times I was never on the larger side of things. However, I was not where I wanted to be in terms of weight and physical capability. So I wanted to lose a bit more weight and work out, put on a bit of muscle mass, etc., etc. But also a few guys at work were fired and my workload went up as a result of that. So I was a bit tired when I came home after work and never really had the time to do a proper video. I did multiple videos, but I never really completed them, and I'm trying to complete them now as new guys were hired and my workload has reduced, and I'm still working out and doing my whole thing. However, I still have more time for videos now, so I should definitely be able to keep this momentum going after this video. I'll at least try and post 2 videos a week, and we'll go from there. Also, if you didn't already know, I have another YouTube channel now. It's basically a channel for automotive stuff and tools. This is the channel over here. I'll link it up in the card above as well. And so if you're into that kind of thing, automotive stuff, heavy equipment and tools, I do that on that channel as well. But for this channel, as far as this goes, we're back in business here, and I'll be uploading more videos as time goes on. So let's jump into the video itself here and grab 2 of these phones. And this seller wraps them really nicely, as you can see in the individual bags. I noticed some of them have screen protectors on them. I think 2 of them, they could be refurbs of some sort, but another 2 of them don't have them. So let's just take them all out. The screen protector with the sticker on there. Let's, oop, that guy flipped over. Oh, stay like that. And that didn't go as planned. Okay, so stay there. All right, so let's get the other 2 out as well. And they came in an old BlackBerry box, as you can see here. No accessories. This thing is a BlackBerry Curve 8900. Made in Hungary. I never knew the Curve was made in Hungary, but yeah, don't know where that came from. It just came, the box that these came in was that box. So let's open these up and we'll test them individually. I forgot which kind of battery the C7 has, but I think some of these may have batteries. So let's organize them. So 2 of them don't have the screen protector, 2 of them do. Doesn't seem to have a battery, has a battery, has a battery, has a battery. So let's open this one and see what's up on the inside. Oh, you put it outwards, I think, like that. Cover the serial number and stuff. So yeah, it uses a pretty standard 3-pin. Let me go ahead and actually get a battery for this thing and be right back. Alright, so I have a battery in there, and the battery that fits the C7 is exactly the BO5K. So let's go ahead and press the power button. This battery could very well be dead. However, I luckily brought a battery that I know is constantly charged. This BL4S it's not the exact fit, but it'll still fit. So let's go ahead and, okay, so it vibrated. Let's see what we got here. Nokia. I don't know if these are actually refurbs or just a random screen protector. I can't tell at this point. I'll have to take a closer look. So, okay, let's see if this one works perfectly fine. Capacitive touchscreen. Yeah, this one seems to work. I mean, it's a bit slow, but yeah, it seems to work just fine. Maybe the touchscreen was replaced at some point. Refreshing your media. What does this thing run? Let's pull up the dialer. Cancel. Come on. Where's the dialer? There we go. Was it star hash 0000 hash? Yep, there we go. Symbian ANA, software version, software release date, custom version. That's what this thing is running. So there you go. So yeah, this thing seems to be working just fine, as you can see. No problem there. Let's grab another one and go from there. So I was wrong about this one actually having a battery in it. It also was actually empty. And I plugged the 4S as usual. Let's go ahead and press the button. It vibrates. And all of them, the sticker at the back looks original. It doesn't seem to be a refurb sticker like I mentioned in that video where I exposed refurbished Nokia phones. The stickers seem to be legit Nokia stickers. This screen protector, I don't know where this came from, but these phones kind of look really in good shape. A bit too good of a good shape, but not refurb good shape either. It's just in a weird spot. I may have to look into this a bit more later on, but I can't really tell if these are refurbs or not. This one is acting funny. It's supposed to, there we go, come on. It's supposed to get rid of that screen in 2 tries, so there we go. Okay, this is also most likely running Symbian ANA. So star hash 000. This is Symbian ANA by the color theme, I can tell you. Did it crash? Nope. There we go. Similar. These 4 phones could have come from like a company, maybe like they were used as business phones within a company or service phones or whatever, and they may have just been thrown out together or something like that. I don't know. This makes no sense to me with the screen protector thing either. Not really sure, but yeah, they look really new. But then again, they don't look refurbished either. They have scratches and dings. They very well could be like store units that were just used for testing. I don't know. I'll have to come up with a different theory later. So yeah, this one seems to work just fine as well. So as of now, we still have, we've already covered the $26 that I paid for this in total, whatever the total was, because one of these in working condition sells way more than just $26. So with that one phone, I've already covered the cost in terms of a phone being added to my collection. Now we have 2 of them in working condition, so that's just an added bonus. Everything after this is just an added bonus. So one of these sells for way more than $26. So already worth my money on this purchase. So let's go ahead and put the battery in this one and see what happens. So this one actually had a BL5K in it, so that's a good thing. Hopefully the battery still works, and I'll charge it later. It's just another battery for my collection. I'm pretty sure this one has a battery too, and this thing also vibrates. Let's see what happens. A bit on the slower side, but the screen came on regardless. Nokia. What is that? A screen refresh something? What is that? What are those numbers at the top there? Huh. Some sort of developer mode? I don't know. Don't know why it's doing that. It must be something in Symbian that you could change. As I remember, R&D tools. Is this thing some sort of store tester unit? It's not a prototype, of course, but it could be like some sort of... I don't know, this one looks different. It doesn't have a utilities. There's mace log, call active warning for what is this thing? Okay, yeah, it's app deployer. Yeah, this is some sort of developer device, maybe. I can't really tell. Oh, it's got photos on it. Hopefully nothing's there are no personal photos. Yeah, there are no personal photos in this, I can tell you off the bat. But there are a lot of photos of computers and stuff, like screens of like big codes and all, like large code sets of code. So yeah, this phone could have probably been owned by some sort of developer. I don't know what that that could be just a screen refresh rate, but yeah, well, it's got a bit too slow. Let's see if I move stuff, or yeah, that's the screen refresh rate. Notice how. So now here's my theory as to why this is the refresh rate. Now if I leave it like that, as you can see, it drops to a really low value. If you leave it long enough, it'll drop to like 4, there we go, 4.1, something like that. But if I move it, look how it goes up to 53.9, and it doesn't stay at a low value. There we go. So yeah, that is actually the screen refresh rate. So yeah, probably some sort of developer mode being turned on. This phone was probably owned by a developer of some sort. Let's go ahead and turn this thing off, and we'll take a look at the last one. So right off the bat, quite an interesting set of phones here. This thing also seems to have its battery. Another BL5K. This one's a bit bloated, if I may, as you can see there. Let's put this battery in. Again, the stickers on these things look original. They don't look like refurb stickers. And as always, this one seems to be working just fine too, and it's in great condition as well. So yeah, we've already paid off or bought my worth of money in these 4 phones. Just one of them, okay, that thing happened again. Just one of them is already worth more than $26. So the fact that all 4 of them work is just a huge bonus. Okay, so this was definitely worth that purchase. Even if I paid the full $30 plus $7 shipping, $37, it would have still been worth, but I got them for like $16 plus $7 shipping, whatever that adds up to. That's worth too. So that's even more worth it. So yeah, as you can see, it works just fine. This one seems to be a bit more normal, doesn't seem to have any weird numbers on its screen and all that stuff. So probably not. Probably owned by the same dude for all I know, but I don't know. It could very well be some developer thing, whatever. They're not prototypes by any sense of the word. However, still very interesting nevertheless. So yeah, we have 4 Nokia C7s. One is possibly a phone that was used for development. The others are just normal. This, I don't know what's the deal with the screen protector. Right off the bat, I can say they're most likely not refurb units, so bit of a mystery there, but definitely worth the money on all 4 of these phones. Just $26 in total for all 4. They all work just fine, and they look amazing too. They don't seem to have been used as daily drivers. Let me grab this one, put the cover back on, and I can show you a bit closer. But as you can see, these things look in great shape. As a matter of fact, the ones without the screen protector look basically brand new. As a matter of fact, apart from a bit of scuffing on the sides, they could have very well been developer-ish phones or store phones and just been left in a drawer for their entire life for all we know. The ones with the screen protectors also look really good. Let me cover this one's back up. It has the serial number there. It has a few dings and scratches unlike the other ones, but even this one does have a few dings and scratches, especially in the battery bay. If you can pull this out like that, you see it's been scratched quite a bit after putting this on and off. So this rear cover has come on and off a few times, so this phone was definitely used a bit more than the others. Regardless, they're still in really good shape. So I really can't put a finger on what's been going on with these phones. Some sort of non-standard use maybe, but definitely not prototype. But I'd say non-standard use for sure. So definitely quite interesting and something that I will want to look into in a future video a bit more closer. Of course, none of them need repairs. That's a great thing. And yeah, I will cover these phones in a future video, so definitely stay tuned for those. But let me know down in the comment section what you think these phones were actually used for. I'd like to hear your opinions on what all that why one of them had the refresh rate turned on and was missing some apps and all that stuff, and the others just seemed pretty normal. Let me know down in the comments. And yeah, we've come to the end of this video, and if you honestly liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below, as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. We can start a discussion, or I can answer your questions. My social media is also linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.